Hello guys, before I start, I'm outside in my balcony, as you guys can see. So if you guys, my dog, shh, hey, there's my dog in there. I don't like her going outside because she might get ran over. Okay guys, so I have my speakers out here, Logitech Z623. We're gonna do a sound test. I already tested them out and they sound super great. I've seen a lot of reviews on where people say that these are worth their money, and I can say that they are. So yeah guys, let's test them out. So first, let's start with, let's see, 25, like a 25%, 50% bass, 25% volume. And the song was Khalifa on my level. So let's start it. Sorry about that sound guys, like I said, I'm outside, so it's gonna be a lot of sound going on, but let's start it. So no, 2 satellite speakers, subwoofer 2.1.
Say Joe. It's the champagne pouring, big joint rolling, Bombay sipping, no blunt smoking, bad bitch getting thick and she got some friends with her. I take them out, pour shots of liquor, drinking out the bottle, smelling it on my pictures. The marijuana loud, so them hoes follow like Twitter. Nigga, you know everything Taylor. Don't rush to the bar, fool, if you ain't got no paper. That's the rules. High as fuck, sloppy drunk when I'm passing through. Rolling doobies up, yo ho, we passing through. Hit the club, spend this money up, roll another one, drink, act a fool. That's what I have to do. Champagne all night, I don't worry about a damn thing. Y'all might, homie, I'm on my level. Yeah, 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 take one shot to the brain, on 3 more shots going in. Hey, I'm on my level. Yeah, 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 spend a couple dollars on my engine motor roaring when I'm back at the garage. Gin got me drunk as fuck, stumbling out the bar. Plus I'm struggling trying to find the keys to my car, cause I be going hard. Roll the camera like it's like a movie, I'm the star. Wish you was in my position, you too broke to play the part. Of course, I keep some bad women with me in the bag, sipping rosé with some hash twisted. About $1, my team in the cash getting. Straight out of the burger, we drinking, we smash niggas. So when I say I'm ballin'.
Okay guys, so that was the first song. Let's go to, I'm gonna pause it for a bit to put another song. Okay guys, the next song I have on, Bass I Love You. This has a lot of bass, so let's see what happens. 25%, 100%. The bass 50% and volume 50%. That was the second song, and let's put the last. Okay guys, the third song is Cinema Skrillex. We have it at 25% the volume, 50% bass. Let's see how different it is. Turn it up a bit. 50% and 50. The volume on for some bass. Yeah guys, so these are the 3 songs I had in mind. Let's wait for that motorcycle to pass. Okay there. So I may do another video of another 3 songs or even more songs. But for right now, I have these 3 in mind. I had these 3 in mind. My bad. But maybe in another video, I may do I may put a movie on and record part of it to show you guys how it sounds. Because like these speakers were made for movies. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and if you guys have some songs in mind, let me know on the comments and tell me what songs you guys want to hear on these speakers, and I will try my best to make videos of all the songs you guys want. So thanks a lot guys for watching. Bye.